We are listening. Future Rhythm. Intelligent Manufacturing. Industry 4.0. We create. To explore. To practice. To express our hearts to the world. Convey sincerity. Science and technology leads the future of enterprises, and innovation expands the boundaries of development. On the new track of Industry 4.0, Hongming will always maintain the leading edge in technology research and development, uphold the original intention and the ambition of an industrial powerhouse, adhere to the ingenuity and patience of intelligent manufacturing, and forge ahead with determination. Guangdong Hongming Intelligent Joint Stock Company Limited originated in 1999 and was founded in 2002. It integrates research and development, production and sales, and ranks among the world's professional packaging equipment companies to provide global customers with professional and authoritative solutions for high-quality packaging equipment and whole line of intelligence. Hongming's focus: from semi-automatic packaging equipment to the fully automated processes to the iterative upgrade of the entire line, Hongming has always focused on packaging machinery and equipment, closely followed the development trend of the global packaging industry, and kept pace with the times. Hongming always on the way. Hongming's richness. Hongming packaging equipment is used in the production of consumer electronic packaging boxes, food, tobacco, and alcohol boxes, medicine and healthcare product boxes, cosmetic boxes, jewelry boxes, gift boxes, clothing and apparel boxes, and other high-quality packaging boxes, as well as the production of pulp molding products. The terminal products are rich in types and forms, which fully meet the multiple packaging demands of various fields. Hongming's efficiency. Hongming adopts the double box forming technology, which greatly improves the transfer rhythm between processes, eliminates the waiting time for forming, and the fastest speed can reach 48 per minute, which nearly doubles the production efficiency. Combined with a parametric intelligent adjustment technology, the mode change time is greatly reduced, so as to achieve the production goal of 6 minutes to change size of the box. The whole machine is connected to the production line. Only one person can carry out feeding and monitoring, realize the whole process of efficient production. In terms of production efficiency, Hongming is still increasing research and development and improving continuously. Hongming's technology. Hongming adheres to the spirit of research and development. It's the top priority. Technology is the king. Overcome difficulties and stand invisibly forever. And raise technology R&D and product innovation to the height of corporate strategy. The company has been successfully rated as a National Intellectual Property Advantage Demonstration Enterprise, an Intellectual Property Demonstration Enterprise in Guangdong Province, a National High-Tech Enterprise, and a Patent Advantage Enterprise in Dongguan City. It has been recognized as the Dongguan Provincial Engineering Technology Research Center by the Guangdong Provincial Department of Science and Technology. Hongming's environmental protection. Starting from the overall situation of industrial transformation, Hongming has accumulated multiple mature experiences in the research of integrating green packaging production technology with plant fiber as the raw material for packaging pulp board. On the basis of the advantages of less waste, recyclable, safe and hygienic, and completely degradable of new packaging materials, explore and develop many packaging production processes such as anti-collision and crushing, enhancing product added value and personalized appearance, adhere to the concept of green environmental protection, and plan for the low-carbon future. Hongming's perspective. Hongming's sales network spreads all over the world. with complete supplier supporting chain and a fast response customer service system. It provides professional and authoritative equipment, technology, services, and other comprehensive packaging solutions for many customers in many countries and regions around the world. In terms of technology R&D, service mode, manufacturing platform, customer resources management system, product innovation, and brand culture, Hongming towards the grand vision of a domestic leading, internationally renowned high-end intelligent packaging equipment integrated comprehensive service provider. Step by step, forge ahead. Technology leads, intelligent pioneers, Hongming stock.